In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a column formula in Smartsheet. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the column formula you want to change. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before editing anything, especially if you manage multiple sheets that look similar. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid updating the wrong formula later. Once the sheet is open, click on any cell in the column that already contains the formula. This is important because you want to select a cell that reflects the formula currently being used in that entire column. When you click the cell, Smartsheet will display the formula so you can review and modify it. Next, go to the formula bar and edit the formula there. This is where you'll make the actual change. As you update the formula, pay close attention to references, syntax, and any logic you're adjusting. Even a small typo can affect how the formula works across the full column, so it's worth taking an extra second to read through what you've entered before moving on. After updating the formula, right-click either the selected cell or the column, depending on how your Smartsheet view is set up. This will open the context menu with options related to formulas and column settings. From that menu, choose either Convert to Column Formula or Edit Column Formula. The exact option you see may depend on whether the formula is currently set at the cell level or already recognized as a column formula. When prompted, confirm the updated formula. This step tells Smartsheet to apply your revised formula across the entire column, rather than leaving it in just one cell. That's what keeps your sheet consistent and ensures new rows follow the same logic automatically. Once the formula has been confirmed, take a moment to check the column carefully. Look down the rows and make sure the values are calculating the way you expect. It's a good idea to review a few different rows, especially ones with different types of data, so you can confirm the formula behaves correctly in real use cases. If everything looks right, then you're done. Updating a column formula in Smartsheet is a simple process, but being careful at each stage helps prevent errors and saves time later. With the formula properly updated and verified, your sheet should now calculate consistently across the entire column.